speaking. We are excited to welcome you aboard Flight 006, bound for the Marshall Islands, the land of paradise and endless freedom. Please fasten your seatbelts, put your seat backs in the upright position, and stow away all electronic devices as we prepare for takeoff. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. We will be cruising at an altitude of 35,000 feet and expect a smooth and scenic journey to the dazzling destination of the Marshall Islands. Thank you for choosing to fly with us today. We hope you have a wonderful time in the Marshall Islands. Thank you for flying with us. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy.
mara kia ngan Jono ka timar dokia. Ngayang man pin rutaran negeri dai. Marga perjo timum mudi dia. Kena timum klan. Prali yang mana ke mata jono tim. Oke, kalau ni amor ke cakap nak ramai. Ya baik. Argro rara dan kacir. Udah tak ada orang kami. Kung yung amaro kaya kamat pato ko amin. Kaya kami ang pat